Hello, I'm Harvey from Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. Today we've got a very nice example of a Defender 130. This one in particular is an X-Dynamic HSE. That's a top spec variant. It's also in diesel, 3 litre diesel, 300 brake horsepower, finished in Carpathian Grey. Standing at the front, you can see you've got this lovely contrasting Atlas Grey Defender badging with the grille and the lower quarter of the bumper. And then coming to the side profile, being a HSE, one of the giveaways is them 20-inch satin grey alloy wheels. Being an X-Dynamic as well, you've got all the gloss black body surrounds, power folding wing mirrors, keyless entry. This one comes with privacy glass and black roof rails. Being a HSE again, it is a very, very nice specification. Being a 130, one of the key indicators in this is it does seat 8 people. So this is the type of car that can carry the most passengers in the Land Rover world. In terms of the 8 seats, it's 2 in the front, 3 in the middle, 3 at the back, all worked through manual tethers as well. And this car comes with the likes of air suspension, so you can see on the video that we're raising and lowering the ride height. That can be done from the rear as well as the front. Coming to where the passengers will be sitting in the second row, we've got Ebony perforated leather, no clear signs of wear and tear. This one comes with 3-zone climate control as well, so you've got climate control in each portion of the car and USBs to keep passengers connected. And then if we jump into the front, at the time of recording, this car's only done 18,000 miles, so it's well within its infancy. No clear signs of wear and tear in the front, heated steering wheel, digital dash. One of the party pieces is of course the panoramic roof. Now this one isn't a fixed one, it's an opening one. So it is a very, very nice thing to have, especially in the summer. Memory electric seats, Pivi Pro, so that's wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality. So no expense spared. Another massive selling point is the added option of a fridge on this one, and then being the newer model year 24 onwards, you do get wireless charging as standard. So again, should you be looking for a very nicely spec'd Defender, look no further. This is the biggest of the range. It's the Defender 130. Feel free to inquire online or call us at 01642 644 444. Thank you.